Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have an S.M.S.L M500 headphone amplifier and you need to do a hard reset on it to the factory default settings. Now there are two main reasons that you might want to do this. The first one is troubleshooting. If this amplifier is not connecting to your device, or if it's not pairing with Bluetooth, or not syncing to any apps that you have on it, or anything like that, any kind of connectivity or functionality issues where it's not working right can very often be fixed with a hard reset. Now you will need to repair it and reset it up with everything because it will be restored to its out-of-box settings, which is the second reason you might want to do this. If you just want to clear and wipe everything off of this and get a fresh start as an out-of-the-box device, we can go ahead and do this. It's quite easy to do. The first thing you want to do is just unplug your device. Turn it off and unplug it. And then you're going to press and hold the power button. And as you're pressing and holding the power button, you're going to plug the device back in and continue to hold the power button until the logo appears on the screen, at which point you can let go of the button. After that, you can restart the device and it will start up in its factory default settings.